you doing trying to eat this jerk bait, my boy? Where's your auntie? I'm not even looking to catch you today. I'm looking to catch your auntie. You're not even big enough to grab my hook, my boy. You're not the size fish you were looking for today.
This here.
Yeah, you should see this one that's buried in the jet. Wow. All the way through.
Good deal. At least now we both have one in the boat.
Oh man, this one got him in the ass.
I got one too.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'll hold on to that.
Yeah.
That's a couple of, look how fat though. Look at that tank. Maybe I'll long arm and make him look giant. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Stud.
Largemouth though.
Yeah. Don't you start.
That's what we're after. I wonder if these are those little F1s. Go. Oh no. Say it ain't so.
That's good.
What a hog.
What a stud.
Oh, I got one. There he is. Absolute tanker.
Absolute beast. The big zipper part.
Okay. Okay.
Oh damn.
Got one? Good one?
Yeah, a real good one.
Really?
Yeah.
I got you. I got your net. I'll bring it to you.
I mean, a decent one.
I got you. We'll get back in the water. I don't know what was on my A-rig. Oh, it's those clear ones with the blue.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Nope.
I don't have my scale.
I got one, but I ain't worried about it.
Mikey, that's a good one, bud. Oh, I'm in your line.
Okay.
Mike, this is a good one. You can pull that boat towards us.
It's a smallmouth too. That's a. Now both of our A-rigs are stuck
No,
together.
dude, I'm so sorry.
No, it's good. Hey,
That's a good one.
when you got one, hey, what do you do?
Oh no, he's hooked through the net and through the lip. Okay, okay, that's okay. Mine's untangled.
Good deal.
Okay, yours is just stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. There's your beautiful fish.
Man, you've been on the smallie the past 2 days.
I'm trying trying to get the sun on him. We need to switch sides. There. Now you can see her.
Yeah. Football. She's ready. Yeah.
On the fall. Just tugging it along. I was just copying doing what you were doing.
Yeah.
just for fun. And, and he ate it.
Heck yeah.
That's a good one. Can I have that?
Here, turn him sideways again.
How fat that tail is.
I know. They're healthy. He was so far away, he felt good.
Oh my God, we gotta leave that off the camera.
I don't think I was recording the whole
Oh
time.
my God, that was a loop and a half. Oh my God, I got a good one. And I'm all excited. I let me get
Yeah. It was just all the way out there.
Take him up on top of the boat like he's a fucking bluegill. Oh my God, that was awesome.
Right in a tree.
I'm out.
Oh yeah, I got one. Nice one too.
Oh yeah. My face.
The thing about the jerkbait, you gotta hurry up and get them in.
Just kick that tackle off there.
Little guy.
Too many fish have been caught in here.
Yeah.
How mad this little fish is. Freezing. This fish is like 12 degrees. Hey, that's what they're eating though.
A little tiny. Got him.
Can't be mad at that. Off the rock ledge there.
Yep. Got him on that little wobble head.
Oh yeah? Down on the bottom, eh?
Yep.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
And the little minnow jig head set up. Hey. I mean, when you're just out here slant. Oh, look how blue. You see the back of his fins?
Yeah.
They're like blue. That looks pretty wild.
Cool.
See? Yeah, I pulled him off your breast side.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm on him.
He said a little
I
minute.
don't know what to do about it. His fins are all blue too on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Yeah. Oh, smallie?
Yeah. Doubled up. Hell yeah. Cheers.
Couple little guys. Old fat-tailed fish.
Yeah, I got a donkey on.
Good one?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Calm yourself.
Mouth on that guy. The spotted dog?
Yeah. Largy. Largy guy.
Cast down the bank?
Yep.
It's a good one.
Yes, spot on his back.
Got beat up.
Sir. He was ready.